Hello, Hello everyone. Welcome sa ating cover song. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ayan, enjoy. Ang ating kakantahin ay Never Love Again by Lady Gaga. Sana magustuhan nyo. Okay, so enjoy. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Ayan. Wish I could have said goodbye. I would have said what I wanted to. Maybe even cried for you. If I knew it would be the last time, I would have broke my heart in two, trying to save a part of you. Don't want to feel another touch, don't want to start another fire, don't want to know another kiss, don't want anything falling off my lips, don't wanna keep my heart away to another stranger, or let another day begin. Won't even let the sunlight. No, I'll never love again. I'll never love again. Ooh. When we first met, I never thought that I would fall. I never thought that I found myself lying in your arms. I don't wanna pretend that it's not true. Oh baby, 'cause my world keeps turning and turning and turning. I'm not moving on. Don't want to feel another touch, don't want to start another fire, don't want to know another kiss, don't want a name falling off my lips, don't wanna give my heart away to another stranger. Oh, let another day begin. Won't let the sun light in. No, I'll never love. I don't wanna know this feeling unless it's you and me. I don't wanna waste a moment. Ooh. I don't wanna give somebody else the better part of me. I would rather wait for you. Ooh. Don't wanna feel another touch, don't want to start another fire, don't want to know another kiss. Baby, I miss the air on your lips. Don't wanna give my heart away to another stranger, or let another day begin. Won't even let the sunlight in. Oh, I'll never just want, I'll never love again. I'll never love again. Ayan, thank you so much sa inyo. Yun po yung ating cover song para sa inyo. I'll Never Love Again. Helen in Germany, the Singing Bird version. Thank you and advance Merry Christmas. Love you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.